Welcome to this channel. My name is Aarti and today we are gonna read chapter 15, Bird Bath. The poem Bird Bath is written by Evelyn Stein. Evelyn Stein was an American poet and writer who was especially well known for her children's writings. She was the author of 11 volumes of stories and 3 books of verse. In addition, she translated poems from Japan and Italy. She treasured simplicity and nature and wove both into her writing. What is a bird bath? Bird bath is a small basin, artificial puddle, or small shallow pond placed in a garden in which birds may drink, bathe, and cool themselves. Bird baths are a great way of lending a helping hand to the birds in our city. In summer especially, they desperately need water. So, dear children, you can make provisions for your feathered pals by making a bird bath at home. A small pond or a basin or a tray or a saucer or a large bowl filled with water from which birds may drink or cool off. You can place your bird bath in your garden or courtyard or window sill and save the birds from dehydration. Try this out. Bird bath. In our garden, we have made such a pretty little pool, lined with pebbles neatly laid, filled with water, clean and cool. In the poet's garden, there is a very pretty pool of cool and clean water which is lined up with neatly laid pebbles. Lined is to cover the inner side or surface of. Pebble is a small stone made smooth and round by the action of water or sand, especially found on a beach or in a river. When the sun shines warm and high, robins cluster round its brink. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. During summer, when it is very hot, the robins gather around the pebbled brink of the pool. Usually they are never seen near the pond, but on hot summer days they fly by with a quick light flapping of the wings to beat the heat and sip the cool water. Robin is a small brown bird found in Europe. This picture is of a robin. Brink is the edge, border or verge of a steep place. Here it is the brink of the pool. Flutter is to flap the wings rapidly. Cluster is to form or gather together. Then they splash and splash and splash, spattering little showers bright all around till off they flash, singing sweetly their delight. Splash is to move in water so that drops of it go in all directions. Spatter means to scatter small drops of water or water to fall in small drops or spray or splash of water. Flash is to move or pass very quickly. Delighted at the cool feeling, they splash the water all around, creating a beautiful picture, covering the area all around with bright water droplets. Blissful with the experience, they fly high, singing sweet songs which expresses their sense of happiness and contentment. Dear children, this would be it for today. Thank you for being with me in this lesson.